Unlocking the Mysteries of Time, the Annals of Time, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in books, movies, and even casual conversations, the annals of time. This phrase has a rich meaning and history, and understanding it can not only enhance your English skills but also deepen your appreciation for the way language captures the essence of human experience. Let's embark on this journey together and explore the depths of the annals of time. The annals of time is a phrase that evokes a sense of history and longevity. The word annals refers to a chronological record of events, usually written annually. Think of it as a diary or a journal that captures the most significant happenings of each year. So, when we talk about the annals of time, we're referring to the vast, recorded history of human events as they've unfolded through the ages. Historically, annals have played a crucial role in how societies remember their past. These records were often kept by religious institutions, royal courts, or scholars dedicated to preserving the memory of significant events. By studying the annals of time, historians can piece together the story of humanity, understanding how cultures, nations, and civilizations have evolved. In literature and speech, the annals of time is used to convey the idea of an extensive, almost unfathomable history. It's a way to emphasize the longevity or significance of something within the vast continuum of past events. For example, saying, "Her deeds will be remembered in the annals of time," suggests that her actions are so noteworthy, they will be recorded and remembered throughout history. Incorporating the annals of time into your language adds depth and gravitas to your expression. It's perfect for highlighting the historical significance of an event or achievement, reflecting on the long-standing traditions or contributions of a culture or individual, adding a touch of drama or solemnity to your narratives. Remember, while it's a powerful phrase, it's best used sparingly to preserve its impact. We hope this exploration into the annals of time has enriched your understanding of this profound phrase and inspired you to appreciate the layers of meaning that language can convey. Whether you're crafting your own stories, reflecting on history, or simply aiming to expand your English vocabulary, remembering the depth and significance of phrases like this can open up new realms of expression. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic journey, and we look forward to uncovering more treasures of the English language together.